Hi, I'm Hayato Shimabukuro, working in Yunnan University in China. In my poster, I discuss how to probe axion dark matter with 21 cm forest. My poster is based on our recent paper. In QCD, it is expected that the Lagrangian includes a term which violates CP symmetry. However, experiments show that the Lagrangian conserves CP symmetry. This is inconsistent with theory. In order to solve this problem, Petri-Quinn symmetry was introduced. As a result of breaking PQ symmetry, the particle called axion is generated. The axion particle is one of the candidates of dark matter particles. If PQ symmetry breaks after inflation, the matter power spectrum is enhanced. This is because ice curvature perturbation is generated. As a result, axion particles acquire mass. As a result of enhancement of matter power spectrum, the formation of small-scale structures is enhanced. In order to study the effect of axion on small-scale structure, we focus on the 21 cm forest. The 21 cm forest is a system of 21 cm absorption lines, in analogy with Lyman alpha forest. The 21 cm absorption lines appear in continuum spectrum emitted by bright radio sources due to intervened H1 gas in intergalactic medium or mini halos. One of the advantages of the 21 cm forest is to explore small-scale structure. Okay, please check my poster to see what results are obtained. Thank you.